Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are talking about how to get home phone and internet bundles. If you are getting a new channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start. Welcome to our informative video titled How to get a phone and internet bundle into the digital age. Having reliable and affordable connectivity is essential. This video aims to guide you through the process of obtaining bundles package that combine home phone and internet service. By exploring different providers, comparing plans and understanding the benefit of bundle, you will be equipped to make an informed decision that you meet your communication need to and the budgets. We beginning. We begin by explaining the advantage of opting from home phone and internet bundles. Comparing this service not only simplifies your billing and customer support but also often result in cost savings. We discuss the various features that bundle packages offer, such as unlimited local and long distance calling, high for international calls. Understanding the benefit will help you assess which bundle suit your lifestyle and preferences. Next, we provide step-by-step guide how to help you navigate the process of obtaining home, phone, and internet bundles. We cover topics such as researching different providers, comparing plans and processing, and evaluating customer reviews and rating. By emphasizing factors like connection reliability, data speed, and customer service quality, this video empowers you choose to bundle the best suit and your specific needs. Additionally, we highlight Additionally, we highlight the importance of understanding the terms and conditions of bundle packages. We explain contract length, cancellation policies, and any additional fees or charges associated with the service. By being aware of these details, you can make an informed decision and avoid any surprise down the line. In calculation, how to get home phone internet bundle offer a comparison guide to help you navigate the process and obtaining combined home and phone and internet service. By understanding the benefits, comparing provider, and considering important factors, you can secure a bundle package that meets your communication need while maximum services stay connected, enjoy reliable internet, and maintain a conversation home phone service with the knowledge and inside the videos. Get ready to stay improve your communication service and enhance your connectivity experience. So, in today's digital age, in today's digital age, having a reliable and affordable connectivity is experience. This video aims to guide you through the process of obtaining bundles packages that combine home phone and internet service. By exploring different providers, comparing phones, and understanding the benefit of bundles, you will be equipped to make informed decisions your communication needs and budget. We explain contract length, cancellation policies, and any additional fees to charge associated with the service. By being aware of these details, you can make an informed decision and avoid any surprise lines. So we are talking how to get home phone and internet bundle. We begin in explaining the advantage of opting from home phone and internet bundles. Comparing the service not only simplify your billings and customer support but also often these services is only supplied being customer support but also often result in cost saving. We discuss the various features that bundle package offer, such as limited you can long distance calling, high speed internet, additional perks like TV streaming options, and discount rates for international calls. Understanding the benefit will help you access which benefit is suit for lifestyle and preference. Next, provide a step-by-step guide. It will help you navigate the process of obtaining home, phone, and internet bundle. We cover topics such as researching different provider, comparing and pricing, and valuable customer reviews and ratings. By by impacting factors like connection, reliability, data speed, and customer service quality, this video improves the bundle the best site your specific needs. Next, we provide. Additionally, we highlight to improve the understanding in terms and condition bundle packages. I hope you can understand. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.